A lot of these early 2000s cars, and even before, had this really awful dark black plastic trim. This Mark 6 Fiesta has it on the windows, around the doors, the door handles, side of the doors, mirrors, even the grille and the front bumper are made of this material. Over time, like the amount of time that has passed since these cars first came out, this plastic has greyed a lot. I'm going to show you today how to spruce them up, make them look a whole lot more presentable without a lot of work and very little effort. For this video we're going to use the front grille as an example. Because of the material this is made out of, it's quite a rough plastic, so there should be no problem with the paint sticking. So in my experience I found you don't even need to sand it, but your experience may vary. To achieve our new look we're going to use some satin black acrylic spray paint. This is all you will need. You won't need primer, you won't even need a clear coat. I will leave a link as to where you can find your own either on eBay or Amazon, so the link will be in the description below. What I have found what works best usually is make sure that the piece is incredibly dry. Also it needs to be clean. You can use some rubbing alcohol if you want to make sure it's really clean. You should give it one light coat as a tack coat and one slightly heavier coat. This is all it'll take and it'll give you a perfectly nice shine. I like to use satin because the gloss can look a bit tacky and you can tell it's been painted, and the matte is tacky nearly in a different way, and the satin is nice in between. Be sure to shake your paint well. Now that it is shaken well, give your grill or whatever piece you're doing a nice light mist of spray paint. I'd recommend leaving this dry for 5 to 10 minutes to make sure it's nice and hard, or if you want you can use a heat gun. I'll leave a link to the description as to where you can find the same one that we're using to speed up the entire process. The heat gun also ensures that the paint dries and adheres nicely. Generally I like to apply an even coat of heat, not too much or the paint will melt right back off again. Now that the first coat is dry, you can put on your second coat. Be sure to put this on slightly heavier if you want this to be your last coat. If you want to do more coat for a better finish, work away. You can see how heavy that coat went on, and if you look it appears almost glossy. Don't worry, this will dry out to a nice satin finish. Again, if you want to speed up this process you can use your heat gun. Once you're confident that the paint is dry, you can use your finger to gently test if the paint is dry. If it is not, use the heat gun for a bit longer or leave it to dry. But if it is ready, you can fit it back into the grill. Thank you for watching this video. We'd greatly appreciate if you could subscribe. I'll leave a wee card up here in the right hand corner. Just click on that, it'll take you to our channel. Hit subscribe, Leave a like on this video, maybe comment if this helps.